So welcome to this week's Outfits of the Week. This week is everything that I wore while I was on holidays in early April, May this year. So most of my outfits are thrifted and yeah, let's get into it. So for the airport I have this patchwork jacket that is from my friend's vintage shop in Bray, and I really like the colours and the pattern. And then I just have on some nice simple comfortable trousers that are thrifted. I don't know what brand they are. So this trip was quite short. I was only there for a few days, so I just brought 2 pairs of shoes. I brought these ASOS buckled sandals and a pair of kind of beach shoes. I think they were from H&M a few years ago. So it was super warm when I arrived, and this is the first outfit that I wore. I thrifted this skirt, so I'm not too sure who it's by. And then the checked shirt is from Primark. I got it thrifting a while back, and I think it's supposed to be worn closed, but I really like wearing it open. And then my bag is from Topshop from a good few years ago at this stage. I couldn't resist picking up these clips that I found when I was out. I really like using like hair accessories or jewellery or bags just to kind of like change up an outfit. So yeah, I really liked how these looked. And here's just some beautiful, delicious fruit that I had, and the flowers that were just growing everywhere. It was so beautiful. So the next day I went for kind of a simple enough look. I used those clips in my hair, and my glasses are from ASOS, and I love just adding like a different colour eyeshadow underneath like a clear glass. I think that looks really cool. And then the vest that I'm wearing is from Lucy's Lounge, which is a vintage shop in Dublin. It was sequined, but I added loads more sequins myself to it. Also, the shirt is Zara, and I got that thrifting ages ago, and I bring it on every holiday because it's just perfect. It's like really light and protects you from getting burnt. Yeah, I really recommend just bringing like a light shirt away. If you enjoy content about sustainable and slow fashion, I do studio vlogs on my channel about running a small fashion business, and I do outfit of the week videos and thrifting videos, so everything about sustainable fashion. Yeah, so you can subscribe if you would be interested in following along. So the next day was a beach day, so just wearing a really light outfit. The sheer top I thrifted a while back. Vintage shorts are again from Lucy's Lounge, which is the vintage shop in Dublin, and then they're the little H&M beach shoes that I brought with me. These glasses are so fun as well. They're from ASOS, I think. And then later on that day, I was wearing this lace top. I got it on eBay, but I think it's H&M from years ago. I searched for it for so long and then eventually found it. And the sequin long skirt is from Zara. And again, the bag is just like a shopping net bag. Yeah. Okay, so then the next day I wore these long shorts that I thrifted during the holiday, and I just styled them with a belt that I brought and this sequin vest. I bring this sequin vest everywhere. It's so easy for styling, and it's just from Zara. I thrifted it a while back, Yeah, this is kind of a simple look and my hair was quite straight for it. Yeah, but I really liked how this outfit looked together for that evening. Then this was an outfit that I wore out one night for a dinner. The skirt is from my autumn winter 22 collection, and I dyed the fabrics and then added like some kind of embellished patch details, and I wore that again with that Zara thrifted vest. And yeah, I really liked how this looked together in the evening light. And then this was the final look on the last day of my holiday. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I make content like this of outfits of the week every week. I do studio vlogs of running a small fashion business. So if you're interested in content about slow and sustainable fashion, please give this video a like or subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by summer, so if you could, that would be much appreciated. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.